So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest in the S&P 500 in Canada here on the Moomoo application. So you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do now is to go to the bottom left and press on the markets icon. Once you're here, I actually want you to go to where it says overview and just press on CA or Canada right here. Now you actually can't exactly see at the top TSX, TSX Venture, TSX 60, but if you want to go to invest in the S&P 500 while you're in Canada, go to the ETFs tab right here. Make sure that at the top the CA is selected. So if US is selected, it'll appear like this. Press to the top left, press on CA, make sure that's highlighted sort of that orange color. Once that is done, index ETF, press on S&P 500 just like this. Now once you're here, there's a whole bunch of different ETFs at your disposal that you can invest in regards to the S&P 500 index. So some popular ones that come to mind for me would be the VFV, the Vanguard S&P 500 index. There's some other ones as well by some other companies. So for whatever example, you can press whatever one you're looking for. But for example, if I were to press on VFV, we'll go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. You can change the session, you can change the order type, you can change the quantity. Once that is done, press on the green buy button, and then proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to invest inside of the S&P 500 inside of Canada on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.